And as soon as you say take a look, then Mark's going to hit play.
Try our steak and sea trio starting at $25.99. Only at Black Angus.
Bamit is an incredible new app that brings you more business. Bamit allows you to promote your business to your local communities through great deals and promotions with no hidden fees, no upfront costs, and no hardware required.
I want to be lovely, 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 I want to be, I gotta be, I'm gonna be happy.
Everyone is flipping out on the newest gadget that goes on your phone.
I love it!
That was kind of cool. It's called My Phone Flipper.
Get a grip. Don't drop your phone.
It's all about the customer, which means it's all about relationships.
I tripled that flavored grains promo.
Did it again.
Tripled.
Tripled.
Tripled. Boom. Boom.
Did it again.
Boom. Tripled. Tripled.
On that flavored grains promo that you tripled, did you remember to tell finance?
Oh, shit.
The number one reason that people fall into homelessness is economics. It is not mental health, contrary to popular belief.
I don't mind walking Skid Row because I'm confident in the services that we provide. Why are you out here?
I'm in between housing.
For Measure H, it was taking us 6 months, a year to get somebody housed, and now we're down to a couple of months.
A leader to me is someone who leads by example. Do as I say, it's do as I do.
My name is Marion Brown. I'm the president of SoCal Gas, and I oversee the strategic vision to help us to build the cleanest, safest, most innovative energy company in America.
Never thought at 30 years old I was going to end up getting my high school diploma.
35 years later, woohoo! Better late than never. It's a dream come true.
My new car has autonomous features. It can drive itself as long as my hands are lightly on the wheel. Once fine-tuned, your organization could be that reliable vehicle to your future growth.
My name is Sarah Schulten-Kranz. I am a speaker and author, and I lead wilderness retreats for men and women and corporations.